Hello everyone, I am Elise and I'm one of the new imagiGirls. I became an imagiGirl because I really like coding, especially problem solving and the process of trying to figure out how to turn an idea that I have into lines of code. I love programming on the Imagi Labs app and I've created many projects already. Sometimes people ask me where I get my inspiration from. Well, usually just answer, look around you. You can literally code anything that you see, play with, or even eat. For example, I coded this melting ice cream. At first, it was just a regular ice cream, but then I added a couple of lines of code to make it melt, because let's face the truth, all ice creams melt on sunny days like this one. To make the melting more realistic, I changed the speed of the frames to recreate the melting effect. When you add a frame to your code, it takes two positional arguments. The first one is m for matrix, and the second one is the speed of the frame in milliseconds. For example, I wanted one of my frames to be 0.1 milliseconds long. I therefore wrote m and then 100 after the add frame. And that's it. This way, I adjusted the speed of all my frames to make the dripping more realistic. Honestly, this is one of my favorite projects because I could never live without delicious ice cream during summer days like this one. I would love to know what your favorite snack is. So that's the task for day 29. Code your favorite snack. Be creative, and if you have any questions, you could always head to the Discord server. There we chat, and it's the fastest way to get help from other Imagi coders. It's always more fun to code together with other people. Now have fun with the challenge. Bye!